Hi, I'm Lynette Badenhorst and welcome to Lynette's Wealth Mastery, where we talk about building recurring income, escaping the 9-to-5 trap and creating a life of financial freedom. Now, I help entrepreneurs, business owners and professionals to create recurring income so that they can live a debt-free, stress-free life and can start working on their bucket lists. Today I want to talk about 4 common things that keep people stuck, broke, burnt out and frustrated. These are real and I've personally faced every single one of them. But the good news, you can overcome them. The first one is the fear of change. I get it. Change is scary. And when you've been burnt by scams or systems that didn't deliver, it's natural to be cautious. But what if staying where you are is actually the bigger risk? I was retrenched. Both me and my husband were retrenched. And when the stock market crashed in 2008, we lost almost everything. But in 2016, I attended a launch event of a new system. And even though I was skeptical, it made sense. The second thing is the lack of education. No one teaches us to build recurring income. We were taught to trade time for money, study hard, get a job, work until retirement. But is that working? What if you could earn money even when you're not actively working? That is what I found the Dew Point system offers. It allowed me to build a recurring income simply by sharing information. No selling of products, no chasing friends, just smart leverage. The third point is instant gratification. Let's be honest, we all love quick wins. We spend money we don't have on things we don't need just to feel good for a moment. But wealth doesn't come from consumption. It comes from delayed gratification. Instead of spending, what if you built something that paid you back every single month? That's how we build real wealth. The fourth point is chasing quick money. We've seen them all. Make a 10,000 rand in 7 days. Or just buy your groceries and you will be rich. It's tempting, especially when you're struggling. But here's what I know. Every real result in life takes consistency, not shortcuts. That's why I partnered with a system that rewards consistency and long-term thinking. And today I have income that grows monthly, whether I'm working that day or not. If this resonates with you, don't scroll past, comment freedom below or get my guide on https://go.lynettebadenhorst.com/blueprint. And if you want weekly inspiration, tools and real truth about building income from home, hit the subscribe button to Lynette's Wealth Mastery. You must have a wonderful day and see you next week. Bye for now.